Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners Learn Urdu through English video tutorial series. In today's video tutorial, we are going to discuss about past continuous tense in Urdu. How do we identify past continuous tense and how do we make different phrases in simple, negative and interrogative forms. Let's start. Past continuous tense is called fail mazi. Fail mazi jari. Jari means continuous and mazi is past. First, we discuss how do we identify past continuous tense. Usually, in past continuous tense, we have raha, tha, और रही थी और रहे थे. रहा था is usually used with male. रही थी is used with female and रहे थे is usually used for a group of people, for plural. And for a group of female, we also use रही थी. रही थी. So now we will take different verbs and make simple sentences with different pronouns, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Let's say we have got the verb to eat. To eat means khana. Khana. In English, we can say I was eating. In Urdu, we have got two different versions, one for male and one for female. For male, we say मैं, which is I, खा रहा था. And for female, we say मैं खा रही थी. So you see that khana becomes kha and we have omitted na from the verb, and at the end of the sentence we have got raha tha for male and rahi thi for female. Now you were eating. In Urdu we have got two different versions for you. One is informal, which is tum, and the other one is formal, which is aap. When we want to show some respect, then we start the sentence with aap. Let's take the informal one. You were eating. तुम खा रहे थे. This is the male version. And आप खा रहे थे. This is the male formal version when we want to show respect. आप. And the female version would be तुम खा रही थी and आप खा रही थी. तुम खा रहे थे. तुम खा रही थी. So it's थी, sorry. And formal versions are आप खा रहे थे, आप खा रही थी. And we use this formal version आप खा रहे थे और आप खा रही थी when we want to say you people. For example, more than one people were eating. When we are talking to more than one people, you were eating. When I came to your house, you people were eating. मैं जब आपके घर आया तो आप खाना खा रहे थे. And आप खा रहे थे is usually used for the male plus mixed group. And आप खा रही थी only for female. He was eating. Now there are two versions for it. One is informal, which is usually used about 90% of the times. We use the first version, and when we want to show respect, then we use the second version. The first version, informal one, is वो खा रहा था. And when we want to show respect, then we say वो खा रहे थे. वो खा रहा था, वो खा रहे थे. And if we want to say she was eating, then we write वो खा रही थी. And to show some respect, वो खा रही थी. And these second versions, वो खा रहे थे and वो खा रही थी, are also used for they were eating. They were eating. And this first version is used for male plus mixed group. For example, male and female. And this version is only used for female. Similarly, we want to say it was eating. Then we will say similarly for male वो खा रहा था, and for female वो खा रही थी. हम खा रहे थे. We were eating. Now if we are uh, a male group or a mixed group, then we say हम खा रहे थे. And if we are only a female group, then we say हम खा रही थीं. This is male plus mixed, and it is only used for female group. Now we will take the example of negative sentences. Let's take the verb to write, लिखना, to write, which is लिखना. I was not writing. मैं, for male, if I'm a male, then I say मैं लिख नहीं रहा था. मैं लिख नहीं रहा था. And female, मैं लिख. So just you may have noticed that we have just omitted this na from the end of the verb, and we have added नहीं रहा था. नहीं रहा था. And for female, मैं लिख नहीं रही थी. If we wanted to say मैं लिख रहा था, then I was writing, then we will just omit this. नहीं. I was writing. मैं लिख रहा था. I was not writing. मैं लिख नहीं रहा था. You weren't writing. You were not writing. So we have got formal and informal version. The informal version is तुम लिख नहीं, this is one dot, नहीं रहे थे. Female version, तुम लिख नहीं रही थी. Formal male version, आप लिख नहीं रहे थे. Formal in formal female version, आप लिख नहीं रही थीं. And this आप लिख नहीं रहे थे and आप लिख नहीं रही थी are also used when we wanted to say you people, when we are talking to a group of people. And as I have already told you that आप लिख नहीं रहे थे is used for male plus mixed group, whereas आप लिख नहीं रही थी is used for female group. He wasn't writing. He was not writing. There are two versions. वो लिख नहीं रहा था, informal version, and वो लिख नहीं रहे थे. It's the formal version. And usually when we are talking about a group of male, then we use this. वो लिख नहीं रहे थे. Or when we want to show our respect to a single third person, then we say वो लिख नहीं रहे थे. Similarly, she wasn't writing. We have got two versions. Informal is वो लिख नहीं रही थी. And formal version, to show some respect, वो लिख नहीं रही थी. And this version, वो लिख नहीं रही थी, is also used when we are talking about a group of female. They were not writing. वो लिख नहीं रही थी. We were not writing or we weren't writing. We were not writing. So, male version and a group and mixed version would be हम लिख नहीं रहे थे. And female version would be हम लिख नहीं रही थी. So the first version is used for male plus a group, mixed group, whereas the second version is only used for female. Now let's discuss about the interrogative sentences when we want to ask the questions. And now we will take another verb just to practice more verbs. Let's take to see, देखना, or to watch. Let's suppose we want to say that he was watching TV, I was watching TV, and so on and so forth. Watch is देखना. Now the simple version for to watch was let's suppose was I watching. Now the simple version was मैं देख रहा था. For male, and if we want to ask a question, was I watching, then we just have to add क्या in front of the simple sentence. क्या मैं देख रहा था? Similarly, female version for simple sentence is मैं देख रही थी. And if we want to ask the question, then we just add क्या मैं देख रही थी. So we just add क्या to ask the question, and the rest of the sentence remains same, and at the end of the sentence we have got the question mark. Were you watching? Were you watching? Now there are two scenarios, formal and informal, and plus male and female. Were you watching? If you are talking to a male, क्या तुम देख रहे थे? And female version for informal is क्या तुम देख रही थी? तुम देख रही थी, you were watching. क्या तुम देख रही थी? Were you watching? And the formal versions are क्या आप देख रहे थे, male, and क्या आप देख रही थी, female. And this formal version, which is आप, is also used for the group of people. क्या आप देख रहे थे is used for male plus mixed group, and क्या आप देख रही थी is only used for female group. Was he watching? So informal version is क्या वो देख रहा था, when we are talking about someone and we don't want to show respect. And when we want to show respect, then we say क्या वो देख रहे थे. And this version, क्या वो देख रहे थे, is also used were they watching, when we are talking about a male group or a mixed group. Female version, was she watching? Was she watching? Now, informal way of asking is क्या वो देख रही थी? And formal version is क्या वो देख रही थी, when we want to show some respect. रही थी. And this version is also used when we are talking about were they watching, when we are talking about a group of female. Were they watching? क्या हम देख रहे थे? Were we watching? Now if we are a male group or a mixed group, then we ask क्या हम देख रहे थे? For male and mixed group. And for female, क्या हम देख रही थी? So ladies and gentlemen, this was our tutorial about past continuous tense in Urdu. How do we identify it and how do we use the past continuous tense in simple sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. Please like this video and give it a thumbs up, and please share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.